Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the advanced towing package and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got side bed steps, blind spot detection, that nice FX4 decal, got that backup camera, tow hitch, that side step again, nice black gripped running board with a side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated mirrors with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with the leathering on the door. You got your own little storage cubby back here with the USB, USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional under compartment storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats as well as the same leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. We do have powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and we have your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 36.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. And looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have a new-looking gear shift. You click this button and you can go through all the gear selects. You have your speeds, cup holders, you have your drive modes, 4-wheel drive, tow and haul. We have our park assist, traction, auto stop, auto start, trail, parking brake, little storage with ambient lighting, USB, USB-C, and a wireless charging pad. Leather app center console with tons of storage. Main climate controls here with volume, AC, all that fun stuff. Little storage compartment here, and below we do get a handy rear window opener as well, and a nice garage door transmitter. Now looking at our infotainment system, we got a new looking screen here, which is pretty big. Got your climate controls at the bottom here with heated front seats. You do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM, FM, AM, all that fun stuff. Got all your apps here, Sketch, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, towing. You can change your zone lighting here, which is all fun, so you can choose where you want your lights to be and all that jazz. Here we have all our vehicle settings and your 360 camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE57625, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.